how to repost stories on Instagram. Now, let's say you are viewing a story and you want to repost this specific story to your own account. However, in order for you to do that, you have to make sure that you are tagged to an account, like this one. Because if you are tagged to a specific story, you will be able to see this option that says add to your story. Once you click on that, you will be able to see that you can now repost this specific story on your Instagram. Now, if you don't have that option, the best thing you can do is to tap on a story and screenshot it. Now, after you screenshotted it, you just have to click add to your story and pick on those photos that you have made. Right here. And now you can just share this to your story as a way to repost this specific story on your Instagram. So that's how to repost stories on Instagram.